In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in LibreOffice Impress. Grouping is a simple way to keep related elements like a title, an image, and a shape locked together so you can move, resize, and animate them as a single unit. This makes slide design faster and keeps your layout consistent. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. If you see the template chooser, pick a theme or start with a blank slide. Either works. Open an existing presentation if you already have content, or create a new one and add your titles, images, and any animations you plan to use. It's helpful to place everything roughly where you want it before grouping, since the group will behave like one object afterward. Before you can group objects, you need to select at least two. You have two easy ways to do that. The first is to hold down the Shift key and click each object you want to include. Make sure you actually click the object itself. If you miss, just click again. If you accidentally select something you don't want, Shift-click it again to remove it from the selection, or click an empty area to clear the selection and start over. When multiple objects are selected, you'll see green selection handles on each of them. That's your visual confirmation. The second method is to use a selection rectangle, sometimes called a marquee. Click on an empty spot near your objects, then click and drag to draw a box that fully surrounds everything you want to group. When you release the mouse, anything inside the rectangle will be selected. If you grabbed something extra, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo, or Shift-click to deselect that one item. Zooming in can make this step more precise if your objects are close together. With your objects selected and those green handles visible, you're ready to group. You can do this in whichever way feels most natural. For a quick shortcut, press Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows or Linux, or Command+Shift+G on Mac OS. Prefer using the mouse? Right-click on any of the selected objects and choose Group from the context menu. Or, if you like using the menu bar, go to Shape, then Group, and choose Group. Once grouped, you'll see a single bounding box around the set. Moving, resizing, or rotating affects the entire group, which helps keep spacing and alignment intact. If grouping doesn't seem to work, double-check that you truly have more than one object selected and that each one shows green handles. That's it. Your objects are now grouped and much easier to manage throughout your presentation.